Priest. South of Heaven. Oh, Claymore! Oh! Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the? Oh! 1, 2. Oh! No! 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 CM Punk, you is no good. You no good. Oh my goodness. You piece of sugar honey iced tea. I swear. Oh, McIntyre's going at the Punk. McIntyre's going at the Punk. Oh, a low blow. Oh. No. No. Oh my God. You got people throwing middle fingers up at Punk. I told y'all what. Oh my goodness. And Damian Priest lifts him up. South of Heaven. Priest got to cover him. Yeah, that's it, man. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh. CM Punk, if I was you, I ain't running out that building. You better call your Uber because them Scotland boy, you gonna be in. You better run. You better run. You better run. You better get your Uber. You better meet your Uber automatically, and you better dip. Go straight to the airport. Head back to your home in Chicago, Illinois, or whatever Monday Night Raw is located. You better hop on that plane and go straight to Monday Night Raw because you ain't safe, my man. You ain't safe. You is not safe. You better run for the hills. You better get your Uber. Call your Uber right now. Get your Uber. If I'm Punk, I'm running up out of the building. I got to get up out of here. We got to go straight to the airport. I'm getting on my plane and I'm out. Deuces. Doug. Wow. This is personal. This is personal. This is personal. This is personal. I told y'all what was going to happen. I told y'all.
No doubt about it. The entire Hydra counted to about 9 before the officials slid in to screw the day. Quote unquote official.
Wow.
McIntyre's arch enemy. The man he despises most on this planet. CM Punk.
CM Punk screws Drew McIntyre again.
Did CM Punk screw McIntyre at that juncture? But it's what he does here. Kicking through McIntyre down low, which would allow Damian Priest to capitalize. And in Priest's defense, I don't think he understood any of this.
Oh my God.
I agree with you wholeheartedly. This is obviously just more deep-seated victory.